by the open pane, where morning sun once warmed the grain. A parrot lies with drooping head, his colors dim, his joy near fled. No longer loud with mimic cries, just tired blinks from heavy eyes. The cage doors open, he does not roam, for in his heart he's already home. His owner sits with gentle care, whispers stories, strokes his hair. Remember when you called my name and danced about like it was a game. He tries to chirp, his voice a sigh, a rasp of love before goodbye. His feathered chest, now soft and still, but love like this outlives the will. For every seed, each laugh they shared, each time he flew, each time she cared, a bond was built, so firm, so true, a soul with feathers, one heart in two. To stay.